What percentage of women do you think have experienced sexual harassment in the UK? Can you give me a guess?
20%.
1 in 2.
65%?
70, 80, maybe more.
I'd probably guess 100%.
How would you feel if I told you it was 97% of women aged 18 to 24?
Outrageous, way higher than I thought it was.
Ridiculous number.
Yeah, it's so high.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's obscenely high.
I mean, unsurprised because it's so normal.
It's kind of sad, but I'm not surprised.
And also the people that don't speak up about it. That's a minimum, if anything.
Why do you think men behave in this way?
I think it's a bit to do with like culture. Blokes go out, you're all together and it's all like a big pack. People start doing raucous things, and in a society that's kind of inherently got some issues in the way we perceive and treat women anyway, when you add that into the mix, then I think it becomes a problem.
There's just not many repercussions for it.
I feel like there's this culture around like men in particular where they're so absorbed with like getting girls, like that masculinity.
It is a bit of a culture thing, and the culture has to change.